Most people know saving money is important, but they feel confused about where to save it. When money sits in the wrong place, it either earns nothing or slowly disappears. This confusion stops beginners from taking action and building financial stability. If you are a beginner in 2026, this video will give you clear and simple answers. Before we continue, like this video and subscribe to Money Clarity for simple money guidance. The safest place to save money is a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer better interest while keeping your money safe and accessible. They are perfect for beginners who want peace of mind and flexibility. The second important place to save money is your emergency fund. Unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs can happen anytime. Saving 3 to 6 months of expenses protects you from stress and debt. Your savings should match your goals, not emotions. Short-term goals need easy access, while long-term goals need patience. Many beginners mix saving and investing too early and lose confidence. Savings are for safety, while investing is for growth and risk. Another smart move is automating your savings every month. Automation removes emotion and makes saving effortless. Even small amounts saved consistently grow over time. The best saving system uses different accounts for different purposes. Purpose-based saving helps you spend less and think clearly. This clarity builds confidence and long-term financial stability. That is the core idea behind Money Clarity. Saving money is not restriction, it is freedom and control. Like, subscribe, share this video, and comment where you save your money.